Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Moomoo for beginners. Moomoo is a trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and other financial instruments. To get started, first download and install the Moomoo app on your mobile device or access it through the website. Once you have installed the app, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide identification documents to verify your identity. After your account is verified, you can log in and start exploring the platform. The dashboard will show you an overview of your account balance, portfolio, and any pending orders. You can also customize the dashboard to display the information that is most important to you. To start trading, click on the Trade button and select the type of instrument you want to trade, such as stocks or options. You can then enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to trade and select the number of shares you want to buy or sell. Moomoo also offers a range of tools and features to help you make informed trading decisions. These include real-time market data, charts, and news feeds. You can also set up alerts and notifications to keep you informed about market movements and any changes to your portfolio. One of the key features of Moomoo is its paper trading feature, which allows you to practice trading with virtual money. This is a great way to get started and to test out your trading strategies without risking any real money. Another important feature is the community forum, where you can connect with other traders and learn from their experiences. You can also participate in discussions and share your own insights and ideas. To get the most out of Moomoo, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the basics of trading and investing. This includes understanding risk management, diversification, and other key concepts. Finally, it is crucial to remember that trading and investing always involves risk, and there is always a chance that you could lose some or all of your money. Therefore, it is essential to be cautious and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and using the features and tools provided by Moomoo, you can start trading and investing with confidence. Remember to always do your research, stay informed, and be patient, and you will be well on your way to achieving your financial goals.